In this video, I'm going to share some solid tips on how to make sure your pictures, shelves, and appliances are installed perfectly straight and balanced, so your home looks sharp and not all wonky. Alright, first off, grab yourself a good level. It's a game changer because it helps you see if things are truly horizontal or vertical. Before you even start drilling or hammering, mark the spots with a pencil. Trust me, it saves headaches. When hanging shelves, make sure the brackets are evenly spaced and double check with the level once they're up. For pictures, use a tape measure to find the center point on the wall and mark where the hooks go, then confirm with the level so it's not crooked. When you're installing appliances like a dishwasher or microwave, check both front to back and side to side with the level to avoid any tilting that messes with performance or looks weird. If you're working alone, a laser level is clutch because it beams a straight line across the wall for perfect alignment without needing extra hands. Also, don't forget to use anchors for heavier items to keep them secure and level over time. Finally, take your time. Rushing usually means crooked stuff and extra repairs later. One of the biggest mistakes I see is not using a level at all and just eyeballing it, which almost always ends up with crooked shelves or pictures. Another common issue is ignoring wall studs when installing heavy stuff, which can make things unstable. Always find those studs before drilling. Lastly, people often forget to measure twice and end up with uneven spacing between shelves or around appliances. Simple math and double checks can save you tons of frustration. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing, so you don't have to worry about getting stuck with a hack job. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's an easy way to find new clients in your area without all the hassle of searching around.